Hello my dear students, very good morning to you all. In today's lecture video I teach you how to write the C programs, how to save the programs, then how to run the programs by using Turbo C++ editor. Already in my laptop I installed the software named Turbo C++ for Windows. If it is already installed in your machine, that is well and good, otherwise I request you to get it installed first. If your desktop or laptop is on Windows operating system, I request you to first get it installed. In order to install this software, you can watch my lecture video on how to install Turbo C++. Turbo C++ is the continuation of C language. That means you can run the C programs in C++ editor also. Let us start. How to start this Turbo C++? Just double click on this icon. Whenever you double click, you get the blue colored editor like this. As you know all, within all editors there will be menu bar. File menu is there, edit menu, search menu is there, run menu, compile menu, debug menu, project menu, options menu, window menu and help menu. All these menus are really very important for us. Once you need to study the options from all the menus. If you want to see the contents of file menu, just click on the file. That is what we call the file menu. File menu is having the options like you can start a new file, you can open the existing file, you can save the file, you can create copy of file, you can enter into the DOS shell, you can quit from the editor. In the edit menu we have the options like undo and redo, cut, copy, paste. You can use it in order to complete the program early. Copy, paste you can use, undo, redo you can use. Remember the shortcut keys, alt plus backspace and everything. Search helps us to find the particular word from the written program. You can replace with the new one. Run menu is very important. To run the program you can press Ctrl plus F9 or you can use this option from the run menu. Once you write the program and once you save the file, you can compile it so that you can get the error sign, you can remove it. Alt plus F9. Debug menu is there, project menu, options and window. Help is really very important. I request you to go through at least once from the index. There you get the help on all functions available in the C language. Notes is available for you. Examples are also available within contents and index. Please go through it. Window menu. Window menu is having options like close helps us a lot to close the open file. Now in order to start a new file, go for the file menu and new. We get a new file. No name.cpp. Why it is CPP? Because we are working with Turbo C++. No name. This is a new file, this is a new paper where you can write the program. Go to window menu and zoom. It covers the entire editor. Okay. Then if you want to close it, go for close. How to take a new file? File menu, then new. How to close it? Window and close. How to take a new file? File menu and new. And how to maximize? Window and zoom. Now I am using the mouse. I request you to make the use of shortcut keys also. I want to open the window menu without using mouse. Alt key is there on keyboard. There are two Alt keys on keyboard. You can use any one of them. Alt W. W is the highlighted letter from that menu. Alt W. Move the cursor over close. Enter. I am not using mouse now. I am using the shortcut keys. Alt F. File menu. New. Alt W. Window menu. Close. Alt F is for new. New option. Alt W. Then go for the zoom and you can close it. Alt W, then close. I request all of you need to make use of shortcut keys also so that you can run the program early. All of you belongs to computer science and engineering. You need to be thorough with shortcut keys also. That is most important. Now I take a new file, file menu, then new. Then I go for window menu, then I go for zoom. Now I explain very important one. Whatever you are seeing on the screen at this time, this is called editor where we write the program. If you press Alt F5, remember it, Alt F5. If you press Alt F5, what happens do you know? You get the screen. This is called a screen where we get the output, black colored one. You can see cursor is blinking there. Okay. To come back to editor, we press enter key. On keyboard, two enter keys will be there. Press any one of them. You come back to editor. How to swap to the screen? Alt F5. How to come back? Enter. Alt F5. How to come back? Enter. I request everyone to practice like this only. Now I write one simple program, then I explain you. As you know all, computer program is nothing but set of instructions. We are assigning the work to computer. We are telling the machine to do some work for me. Now I assign one work to a computer. Dear computer, can you print the message hello world? Can you tell the world hello? Now I tell the machine that please print the message hello world here. Then how do you tell the machine to print the hello world message on monitor or screen? We need to write the program. How to write the program? There is a rule. Every C program contains main function main and opening bracket and closing bracket. Shift you need to use, okay, to get the upper symbols from keyboard. Then press enter, opening bracket and closing bracket. Here my program started, here my program completed. Sometimes we write void main, sometimes we write int main. Int main means it returns integer to the operating system. It returns integer to the operating system. If you write int main, you need to write return 0. If you won't write int, then also machine assumes int only. You have to write return 0. If you are not interested to return 0 to operating system, you need to write void. This one I explain you once again while teaching functions topic from the subject. No need to worry. Now I request you to write void main. Okay, means this function is executed by operating system. To the operating system it will not return any value. Yeah, now I will tell the machine that print the message hello world. Okay, hello world. But now how do you tell the machine to print it? There is a rule. This is a message I want to print. That means you write everything in double quote. Shift and that key, nearby enter key. Home means starting of a line. End means end of the line, the cursor moves. Home means cursor moves to starting of line. You need to make the use of end and home key also, so that you can complete the program early. I press the end key, closing bracket, semicolon, home key, then opening bracket, home key. I type the function printf. Printf is already available built-in output function in C language. You have to use it as it is. Printf you have to write in small letter. Don't leave the space between print and f. This is wrong. Machine will not understand. If you write P capital, that is also wrong. Machine will not understand. Write printf in small letter, continuous. And syntax means what is the rule? Printf continuous, bracket is must, double quote is must. This message you can write whatever you want. Double quote is must, bracket is must, semicolon is must. Then this is one program. Now this program includes one instruction. Save the file, save the program. But one more mistake I did here. You need to add the header file. std standard io input output .h header file. This header file we need to add in angle brackets. In order to add this header file, we are using the preprocessor include. To make the use of this preprocessor, we need to add hash sign. Hash include stdio.h standard input and output header file. In this header file, we have input functions and output functions. In every program we add this header file. In every program we use main function, and this main function may include one instruction or many. Now only one instruction is there. I save the file. I go for file menu. I go for save. Give any suitable name. CP, C program, CPZ, C program 1. .c is must. If you won't give .c, it takes CPP. That's why you need to give .c. Press enter. You can see the file name here, C program 1.c. Now compile it. Alt C. Go for compile. Machine will check for the syntax errors. Warnings 0, errors 0. Written program is correct. Now run the program. Run the program means machine will print the message hello world on screen. Run it. Machine is printed. Where it is printed? On screen. Now we are in editor. How to see the contents of screen? Just only I told you. Alt F5. Press Alt F5. Oh, hello world is printed here. Oh, nice. Means machine did one work as per our instruction. Computer has printed the message hello world. How to come back? Press enter. Again go for Alt R and run. Machine will print it once again. How to check? Alt F5. Oh, machine is printed hello world once again. Previously displayed message you can see, as well as recently displayed message you can see. How to come back? Enter. Run the program once again. previously displayed 2 messages you can see by pressing Alt F5 and newly displayed 1 message. Oh, very good. But I'll tell the machine that please clear the screen first. CLR SCR. First it clears, then it prints. Run the program. Now Alt F5. See here, only once you find first screen is cleared, then machine has displayed the message hello world. Oh, nice. Now every time I'm pressing Alt F5, whichever I do not want. That's why I enter getch. To get one character, machine will wait. Meanwhile, I read the result. Getch is one input function. Machine waits to get one character as input. Meanwhile, you can see the result. Okay, let us run the program. Alt R, run. Machine has cleared the screen. Machine has printed the message. Machine is waiting for the input so that you can see the result. This is perfect C program. Hello world C program. This is what we call hello world C program. Oh, machine is telling hello world to the world. Machine is telling hello world. Oh, nice program. I hope everyone has understood. This is a simple C program. It contains 3 instructions to a computer system. Do some mistakes here. For example, I will not give semicolon. Compile the program. Errors. Read the error message. Statement missing semicolon. Press Alt F3. Alt F3 to get the cursor inside the editor. Then go to previous line. Press the end key. Semicolon. Then compile it. No errors. I hope you are getting. Don't do any mistakes. For example, print space F. I do the mistake. Now compile the program. Errors 2. Oh, undefined symbol print. Machine is not understanding what do you mean by print. Statement missing semicolon. Because of one mistake, it is showing 2 errors. That's why. Oh, I did mistake. Click here. You can press Alt F3. Very important. Alt F3 to get the cursor inside the editor. Remove the backspace. Okay, use the backspace key to delete the backside character. And to delete a line, Control Y. To delete a line, Control Y you can use. Control Y helps us to delete the line also. You need to be perfect with the functions of all the keys. Then save the program. Then run the program. Cleared, printed, and waiting. Instead of hello world, you can change the message. What I do, instead of hello world, I teach my name is Professor Chidanand S. Kusur from BLDCET Vijaypur. I am teaching C language for you. I am teaching C language to you, to all my dear students. I am teaching C language to all my dear students. Okay, I remove hello world. Now I change the message. Now run the program. See, my name is Professor Chidanand S. Kusur. I am teaching C to all my dear students. Then I print here /n. \n means cursor moves down. I print take care. I print take care. Run the program. Afterwards I used /n. /n means cursor comes down on the screen. Take care. Then /n. I print have a nice day. Have a nice day. Now run the program. Have a nice day. Then run the program. My name is so and so. I am teaching C language for you to all my dear students. Take care. Have a nice day. Now this is what the program. Very interesting. You can print your address also. Residential address. For example, Mr. C.S. Kusur. Okay. /n. Assistant Professor. /n. Department of CSE. /n. BLD is CET Vijaypur, and delete everything. I hope everyone is understanding. I am deleting the previously typed text. Run the program. Mr. C.S. Kusur, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE, BLDCET Vijaypur. This is a C program to print my address. You can write the many programs like this. Now I request everyone to write the program and please practice it. This is the first program I explained to you. I hope you understood. If you understood, don't forget to write the comments in comment box. Okay, that helps me to come up with some more new videos. Request for some programs so that I can upload. Thank you. And while writing, but in our college in lab we have Ubuntu operating system. We have Ubuntu. There in Ubuntu we won't use CLR SCR and we won't use getch because there we are getting terminal directly. That one I'll explain you afterwards. I hope you understood. And I write one more program to print the 3 messages like good morning, like write a C program to print 3 messages: good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Okay, now run the program. Definitely I get the message good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Run the program. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. But I need the good afternoon in the next line, good evening in the next line. Then what you need to add? You need to add escape sequence /n. Just you need to add /n before good evening and good afternoon. Now run the program. Okay, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Okay, now you can use /n. Otherwise some students use separate printf for each message. That is lengthy code, no? You can write one printf is for good morning, and you can copy it. You can type once again printf. You can do copy paste also. Double quote /n, cursor comes down, then good afternoon, and I use one more printf. Then I go for /n. If you won't use /n, we get the message in the previous line, so I am using /n. Then here I write good evening. Okay, sorry, I type good evening. Okay, then I use one more printf and /n, tilde symbol, just okay, anything you can type here. Developed by, just I write -sign here, double quote bracket. Then I use printf here. I am printing developer name. This software is developed by CSE students, okay, of BLDE. This is what the software, we call it as a software, application software. Now run the program. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, developed by CSE students of BLDE. Oh nice. This is what we call application software. We developed one app which displays the message. I hope you have understood. And here this is what you can write the program like this. Here only good morning is there. Here what I do, I go for /n, then line /n. Okay, now run the program. /n, line /n, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is what a C program to display the message. Now at least you need to write 5 programs, different programs, and try all those things and send to my WhatsApp. And don't forget to write the comments and request something so that I can upload and I can help you. I hope. How to close the file? Go for window menu and close all. Close all means all files will be closed. File menu and quit. Quit means we exit from this editor. I request everyone to please practice and send the programs to me. And if you don't have the laptop or desktops with you, install some apps from the Play Store. Some apps are available to run the C programs, but you need to be careful. Read the reviews of those apps and get it installed in your mobile. You can run these programs, no problem at all. N number of apps are available. You can download and please try and send the screenshots to me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.